Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel. Today's discussions is Java programming. So we discuss jump statements. Okay, we discuss jump jump statement. Okay, so jump statement. Okay, jump statement during the course of programming, you may come across some situations where you need to transfer the control to another part of the program, leaving some of the statement unexecuted. Under this situation, the jump statement will be helpful to carry out your task. Jump statements can be conditional and unconditional depending upon the logical requirement. So jumping statement, it is the also conditional, both it is conditional and un unconditional. Okay, so it is one is unconditional, another is conditional. Now conditional tested so conditional unconditional depending upon the logical statements. Java language uses following three types jump statements. Number one, break. Number two, continue. And number three, return. So today I want to discuss break and continue and show one example with the show one example of the break. Okay, one programming. Okay, so break in the we have already discussed the use of break in switch case. Okay, so we have already discussed in the C program, okay, that break and switch, but in Java it's same as, okay, same. In switch case statement, the break is used to terminate a case. The break statement is also used in looping and construct for unnatural terminations of the loop. Okay, switch case. Switch case, we break the break statement is also looping construct unnatural terminations. Okay, break is used terminate a case. Okay, break used terminate minute a case. Okay, used terminate a case. The break statement is also used in looping construct for unnatural termination of the loop. As we have discussed earlier, a loop is a repetitive flow of control that is used to execute statements for a defined number of times or till the given condition stands true. The break statement can be used in all the loops. Let us understand the uses of break statement in all the three looping construct. So suppose I use example, I give some example. You also see one. Okay, that how I use this break. But now I give one example in here in the theory, that for 1 less than equals to 10. Okay, no problem. So if I equals to 5, then break. Okay, if I equals to okay 5, then it is break. Break, and we can write system out print ln I. System out print ln referring is the above example. The loop is normally repeats 10 times in to display the natural numbers 1 to 10. After displaying the numbers up to 4, when the value of I reaches 5, the control will experience break statement. As a result, the control will exit the loop and leaving the rest of the iteration incomplete. Okay. Okay, now I want to discuss switch. Okay, switch case and driven program. Okay, you have already learned the application of all types of conditional statements. Okay, because I have already discussed conditional statements in my videos. Okay, Java videos. So these statements are basically used to guide the control execute either of two block of statements. Okay, two block of statements. When we use switch, suppose case 1, how to write the problem. Okay, syntax: switch case statement. Okay, now I discuss switch. Okay, because in my example you can get it is clear for you when you see the practical. Okay, I just discussed only break, and today I just want to discuss only break and switch. Okay, and also give one example. Okay, switch means control variable. Okay, okay, so what is the value switch control variable? You see, I use control variable, and you get case 1 block 1. Okay, I use block 1, case 2 block 2, block 2, case 3 I used block 3, and default I use default and block 4. Okay, block 4, and now I just complete my total case. Okay, so switch n is, suppose n equals to 1, n equals to 2, n equals to 3. So we get a lot of block. Okay, so it is how it is. Suppose I write switch n. Switch n means suppose n equals to, when n is case 1, we get case 1. Okay, when suppose n equals to 1 and suppose n equals to 2, we get, okay, statements and break. Here I use break. Okay, after that statement, after that I get case 2, n equals to 2. Next I get, also here also I used break, case 3, then n equals to 3. Okay, this way it is continued, it is moving. After that n equals to, and last is default, last is, and dot, and hence dot 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 dot. Okay, so last is default. Last, after last break we write default and default and statement. Okay, statements. And with reference to the above structure, a number of cases are taken care of by a single switch statements. The control device decides the executions of a specific case based on the value of control variable, and if the value of control variable n is 1, the control goes execute the statements in case 1. And statement block 2 are executed when the values control variable is 2. And similarly, let us discuss the situation where the value is control variable is 1. Naturally, the control jumps to execute the statements of case 1. But what will happen if break is not applied? Executions of case 1 over. By default, it will remains its normal flow and will enter another case for execution. This is called fall through. Okay, if I will not use break, then I get a fall through problem. Okay, fall through problem. A switch statement starts with opening curly bracket and ends with with and closing with curly bracket. Curly bracket means this is the curly bracket. Okay, the case which are enclosed within a pair of opening and closing curly braces. Break statement. Break statement is used at the end of the each case, that is referred to as case terminator. Break is the terminator. Break is the terminator. No statements is written after break in any specific case. This statement forces the control to exit from the switch block. Okay, default case. Default case is the special case in the switch case structures. It is executed when no case is available for a given value of switch variable. Default. Default is it is executed no case is available. No case is switch variable for a given value variable. Okay, this is called default. Okay, with reference. Okay, so default case don't contain break statement, as it is the last segment of the switch block. The control will automatically exit the switch case and block after executing the default case. Okay, so friends, you get some example. Friends, let's check one example of the programs. Please check. please check import java util.scanner. Okay, this program is the scanner class. Okay, write a program using scanner class to generate and display a pattern of token word in the form of triangle or in the form of inverted triangle depending upon the user choice. Okay, this program is based on scanner class problem, and here you will see that I use nested for loop, and I use break and switch. Okay, so this example is very good example for a learner who want to learn Java program. So please check my whole work. Okay, here I use break. Here I use break default and break switch. Okay, and switch, and another is character and string. So friends, let's check the let's run the program. Okay, enter a word as token for a pattern printing. So any word I can choose. So my word is mathematics. Mathematics. Okay, so enter your choice. My choice is 1. Okay, so case 1. So next, so this is my pattern. Okay, so you see that my choice is case 1 and switch case 2. When I use another number, so let's clear this result. You will check my second order also correct or not. Run. I run the program. So this name is Richard Short. Okay, so enter the choice. My choice is 2, and again okay. You will see that this is the inverted triangle depending upon the user inverted triangle. How friends? Because you see that I choose the for loop I is equal to p, I is less than equals to 1, and I minus minus. So and j is the plus plus in here. So we get inverted, and in opposite when I choose I plus plus and j equals to 0 and j equals to I j plus plus. So this is the different pattern. That's why we get different answer. So I hope that you check my total program work. What public class pattern, public static void main, string, args, scanner in. Okay, you can use also scanner sc, but I use scanner in, new scanner system dot in, int my integer value is ijpk, char value is character, and string value is st, and system dot out dot println, enter a word token as a pattern printing. That you see. Okay, and next is st equal to in, because I use scanner in, so it is in, otherwise it is okay. So st equal to in, next in, and p equal to st length length length, because it is string, and system dot out dot println, enter your choice. This is the number, so k equals to in, next int next in, because otherwise if I choose scanner sc, then I will write in her sc. Okay, switch k. Okay, switch key, choose so switch means other, if I choose 1, then this condition hold, otherwise if I choose 2, then this case is hold. That's why I use switch. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope you can understand.